guys, welcome back to Slim's channel. Today we are going to be shooting some BB guns, but they're behind the camera. We maybe show them after the video. And let's get started. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Also, thank you for 20 subscribers. We didn't reach 20. Yes, we did. We did? Yes, we reached. Oh, sweet. Bottle flip for the win. Hey! Oh. All right, let's go. Let's get started. Woo. Just so I know, we're behind the camera. Like shooting first. Hope you like the erection. Right in the chest. Head. Oh, you see the damage? Yeah, I see the damage. You go. Let's check out the damage. Okay, guys, so far we have a chest right there, and somewhere around here. I hit him in the head. Yeah, he hit him in the head. Let's see if it goes through. Nope, it gets stopped. All right. Okay, my turn, guys. Let's try the other one. Okay. I shot 3 times. Paige, you're covering the camera. Oops. I'm shooting. Oh well. 2 cares. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Paige's turn. I'm gonna do this. Rifle. I'm gonna do rifle. Can you pack it back when you're lying down? I'm gonna lay at the camera. Hi guys, I'm watching the damage. Come on, Paige. Okay, let's go. Way too high. Way high, dude. Stand up. Let's check out the damage. Okay. Let's see where she hit. I don't see any. My turn. Actually, you don't see any? No. Look out, Paige. I'm gonna fire it right in the chest. Right in the green V. Underneath. It stinks. Alrighty, guys. Got my pistol loaded up, or my sniper rifle, and I'm gonna shoot it, my Frankenstein, right in the chest. Bang! Oh yeah, ready for a mouth shot? Or a face shot, and then ready for a chest shot. Stupid mosquito, and then ready for a eyeball shot. Oh, ready for a 360 no scoper. Ready for a in the face shot. Oh, that was his ear. Let's get his ear. Ready for his ear in the face. His ear shot. Oh, that's a cheek. Right in the ear. Oh, I put a hole in his ear. Other ear. Oh, I just missed it. missed it again. Oh, I'm out. All right. Well, shall we check out the damage? All right. So, let's get the camera here. Okay, so we did some pretty darn good damage. Ear shot. Yeah, I hit him right there. I took off a piece of his ear. I shot him there. Shot him a couple times there. Let it focus.
Chest. Freaking mosquitoes.
Dumb things. Ow! Oh! Look at what I did to his ear. Oh.
You like freaking pierced it. My turn. Guess what?
Alrighty. It's gonna be Paige's turn. Paige, mine's out. Oh, yours is out? Oh yeah, this is my gun, by the way.
Pretty nice.
Leave it alone.
This is mine.
Bolt action.
This is mine.
Okay, let's set it up again.
Has a laser.
Has a laser, huh?
Yeah, it has a laser.
Alright, let's set her up.
Can you see it on there?
Let's set it up.
Guess what? It's pistol time.
Pistol, huh? Okay.
Okay. Where'd you hit it? Sure. Dang it. I saw it go outside. Hit the face. Can I load my gun? Oh, in the head! In the head?
Yep.
Forehead. Oh, can I have a shot at it? Can I have a shot at it?
Hey guys, let's see the damage. Okay, got it right in the forehead, head, chest, right here. Oh my gosh! Look at that! That's all I did, guys. Look at this zombie so far.
It's Frankenstein.
Never mind, Frankenstein. Yeah. Look at this ear, guys. Look at that ear.
Put the camera back where it was.
I know. Let me situate you guys.
These mosquitoes are bad.
What?
These mosquitoes are bad.
Oh, shoot.
This one still has a couple. Okay, let's go. Did you hit it?
Nope.
Ah! Ready for my shot?
Paige.
I hit it.
Where'd you hit it?
Chest.
Okay, look out for my shots, Paige. Oh, right over the shoulder. Let's line my gun up. Ready?
No. Did you load the pistol?
No. Never step over that like that. Alrighty, let's hit it right in the ear again, shall we? Oh, we just missed. Should we hit it in the V part? Let's hit it in the V part. The green V. It has a V neck. How about let's try aiming for the eyeball.
Eyeballs are pretty hard though.
Oh, I hit its nose. Pretty sure. Oh, I hit right above his eye. Right below his eye. Oh, I hit his eye. Legitness. I hit him again. Oh, chin. Ready for that mouth? Oh, I hit the black part on his neck. Just missed it. Oh, my bipod broke. Oh no. Oh, I still hit it. happened to my bipod, man?
Pistol loaded up.
Oh, my bipod broke.
What the heck, man?
Pistol time! Well, looks like I gotta stand up and shoot. Well, I'm good at that. Let's try fire. Hip fire!
It freaking ricocheted.
Hip fire!
It ricocheted.
Don't shoot! Don't step right in front of me! I'm shooting! Look at that! I'm shooting! Move! Do that. Jeez. I'm out. I'm out. Ah. Oh, wow. What?
You guys getting hungry?
God. We're making a video. We're making a video.
Oh.
I just hit it in the head. Right above it.
Come on.
Alright, let's grab your gun. We're out. We're done. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Alright, guys. Please subscribe. We highly appreciate it. And guess what for this zombie? Say sorry to this guy. Don't hit it.
Kick it.
No, you're not kicking it.
Goodbye.
No, you it. He's dead. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay. Bye.